Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to crop a picture in PowerPoint. So first go to PowerPoint and create a new presentation by clicking on blank presentation. Now let's delete this and then go to insert and click on pictures if you want to insert a picture from your computer, or click on online pictures to insert an online picture. I will just go ahead and select one of these pictures. Let's select this one, for example, and then click on insert. Now go to format under picture tools, and here click on this icon to crop your picture. You can use these handles. You can also drag the handles to the borders of the slide, and then click on crop, and here you can select to crop to shape, aspect ratio, or you can select fill or fit. Let's select fill, and now we filled the frame with the picture. Let's go again to crop, and here let's select fit. Now the other option is to crop to shape. Let's drag these handles to crop the picture like this. Now go to crop to shape. Let's select a triangle, for example. And you can right click on the picture and go to format picture. And here you can change the width, the height, and the offsets like this. And also the crop positions, like the width and the height. And if you want it to move to the left or to the top. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.